Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors and our clients to make their own investment decisions through our technology products and solutions, innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. So, our educational videos we have put in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel, 16 modules in English and Tamil we have put, which is very useful, and anyone in the age group of 17 and 18 should see at least module 1 to 4, and anybody who is doing BBA, BCom should see module 8, and MBA students should see up to module 15, and all derivative traders should definitely see module 16. So with that, let's go into today's market analysis. Today is June 30, 2023, Friday. See, today is a very important day. I mean, see, to me, I'm a believer that excepting 2 days, all days are excepting 1 day in the entire 365 days. All days are equal and the same day for me. It's just another day in the calendar, which is my birthday. Okay. But other than that, today is a very important day from a market perspective. Why from a market perspective? It's very simple. Today is June 30. Not that June 30 I love or anything. It's nothing to do with that. June 30 is, today is week closing, daily closing. Every day market opens, it closes, daily closing. That's for granted. Today happens to be the week closing also, which is also very interesting. Today happens to be the month closing, which is also very important. The next important thing is today is the quarterly closing, that is April to June closing, and the most important thing is today is the half yearly closing, 6 months closing. So hence, from a market perspective, it's very important, and particularly who do analysis, it's very important when we combine all these things. With that background, let's look at how the market performed today and in general in this quarter itself, how it performed, and we will try to see how it performed in the half year. Right? BankNifty and FinNifty, BankNifty and Nifty. FinNifty closed at 20057.70, 0.82% up. That is 20,057.70, 0.82% up. BankNifty 44,747.35, 0.95% up, while Nifty closed at 19,189.05, 1.14% up. So what happened? Yesterday it opened a gap up and found a hanging man type candle. Today yet again it opened the gap up well above yesterday's high. That means normally if such opening happens, I would request people to learn technical analysis. Amateurs will think that okay fine, it has opened and it will go down. No, it will not go down. Normally 98 times out of 100 times it will close above, well above. Why? Because it has opened above yesterday's high. That means there is a powerful push demand coming for buying. That's important, right? So now it is well above the Bollinger upper band. In the weekly chart, I am saying for all the 3 indices, that is FinNifty, BankNifty and Nifty. In the weekly chart, it is just below the upper band. In the monthly, it is just touching. FinNifty is touching the upper band. Nifty and BankNifty is about to touch the upper band. So with such a strong up move, the last 3 months it has been a green candle going up, rising like this and near the upper band. So which means in the last quarter it has made a significant up move. In the half yearly it has made adjustment, because what happened first 3 months, that is Jan to March it had fallen, and April to June it has gone up. So then that means 6 months candle if you view, it has still gone up and it has formed a solid green candle. Now it is very powerfully up. So normally what happens, generally people think that fine, now what will happen? You will see anybody and everybody will become a stock market analyst, and anybody and everybody will give stock recommendation, price recommendations, Of course, SEBI has clearly told that people other than those who are registered with SEBI should not give, but who is listening? Who cares, right? And who is only there are certain few genuine people are there who bothers about SEBI, but otherwise no, most of the people don't bother. They just give recommendations, and many people are lured by high returns and commitments and other things, and they lose money. So this is the time for small investors to be cautious. There are selective stocks which will perform extremely well, and one has to be very choosy with those stocks, and you will be well rewarded. And always I tell this, investors need patience. It's like playing test match. You will be rewarded, but a trader can play anything, but a trader has to learn technical analysis. Otherwise, he or she is bound to lose money for sure, right? So now it has gone up. Because everybody is on one side now, there is no further momentum, very little momentum available to take it up. Hence, no one has to be time to be cautious, not to be extremely mad bull, not to be a mad bull, blindly go and buy anything and everything. That's the only caution which we are saying. Other than that, all the stocks are good. It is, in fact, it has taken 2022 close. When we analyze the calendar year 2022, it is 5% above the calendar. The Nifty or any of the indices is above 5% over 2022 calendar year close, and more than 10% up over the financial year close. What is financial year? That is March ending. 2022-23 financial year ended in March, right? In the 3 months itself, it has crossed 10%. That means in the financial year, it has done extremely well. Okay, so only thing is that time to be little cautious and take stocks which are low price, technically looking good, and apply other parameters, discuss with your investment advisors. Of course, we will give a broad guidelines, because once again we reiterate, we are not SEBI registered, hence we will not give any price recommendations. We will just technically say what it is, how it is, what will happen, when and how it will happen technically. We cannot give any price targets or anything, right? Banks, all the banks have performed well. HDFC, if you recollect, I have stated a few days back, around 10-15 days back video, people can see HDFC twins, it is going to go up significantly. I told that is what precisely it had happened. In fact, I expected it to go up in July, but it had happened in June itself. But next quarter, I don't see a big up move coming in HDFC Bank, because no more HDFC will be available beyond, I think, July 15th or 13th, whatever is the date, right? So today, AU Bank, Axis, HDFC, SBI, all up 1%. Bandhan, Federal and IndusInd up 3%. Federal Bank is something which has potential to go up, because technically it is looking, the selling is over. Same is the case with CUB. So hence, people with a long-term horizon can look at these stocks, discuss with their investment advisor, look at the entry and exit time, and enter at the appropriate time and do an exit at the appropriate time. But technically, the type of candle that it has formed, technically it looks that the fall is over in these stocks. On the financials, Muthoot is the sole underperformer, down 1%, while Bajaj Twins and HDFC up 1%, Shriram and Manappuram up 2%, L&T Finance and M&M Finance up 3%. In the insurance and cards, SBI Cards 1% down, ICICI General, SBI Life 1% up, LIC 2% up. So, in the financials, once again, I have said many times, right? It is Bajaj Twins. Okay, Bajaj Twins is looked how it opens next quarter, next half yearly. It depends on its up move. But if it opens below today's close, probably one can think that the fall will come for Bajaj Twins. But next month, one has to be cautious in that. Oil and telecom, Bharti and Reliance both up 1%. In the IT, today was an IT day. That's why you had a fabulous move. IT, you had Birlasoft, SCL, LTIM, LTTS, Emphasis, TCS, Tech-M, Wipro, all up 1%. Apple, Coforge, Intellect Design up 1%. Infi up 3%. So that is why you had such a stellar move in the Nifty. Nifty outperformed BankNifty thanks to IT index, which has propelled Nifty like anything. Of course, it got support from HDFC and HDFC Bank also. That's how banking also went. FinNifty also went up. On the consumer goods, DMart fell 2%. Bata, Britannia, HUL, Nestle and Titan all up 1%. The automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motor, Tata Motors 1% up, Bharat Forge, Escorts, Maruti 2% up, Hero Motors 3% up, M&M moved up by 4%. Metals, Vedanta fell 1%, while Coal India up 1%, all others remained flat. Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospitals and Thyrocare 1% down, Dr. Reddy 1% up, Lalpath 2% up, Sun Pharma 3% up. If you recollect, in this 10 days or 15 days back, I said about Sun Pharma. People can just go and see, or one has to see my video every day. In the others category, Adani Ports, Adani Ports, APL, Godrej, Havells all down 1%, Polycab down 2%, DLF, India Mart, IRCTC, Jubilant Food, UPL up 1%, L&T up 2%, Eris up 3%. With all these things, next come July, don't expect immediately this up move will continue because it is a new month. Also, the headroom available to go up is very limited. Hence, one has to play cautiously. That is, with that note, I would end this presentation, and over the weekend, as always, we will provide our global markets video. Thank you very much.